Okay, I have some music playing in the background. I'm just playing. I can turn it down a little bit, sorry. I'm going to talk about a giant in the wilderness that some people don't realize was there. ER work, experience, things like that. You hear about things, like you hear about this giant that existed. Well, he wasn't really a giant, it doesn't tell us his height. But there was an individual who understood evils that surround people. He was a man. Um, now listen very carefully. I can still hear the same story. I didn't come from the same land, but this man was a true feminist, if you will. If you want to understand what feminism really is, it involves supporting women in their distress. So, like, he healed a woman who was bleeding, like, what, 12 years or something like that? He said to the woman, he didn't stone the woman, go and sin no more. So he offered mercy. Imagine that. Now, you tell me that Hollywood people know more about things, and I'm like, well, I think he knows more about things than you realize. Because I can still hear. My ears are still working. Some people's ears are not working right now. They aren't listening. They aren't understanding what type of sacrifice he had to pay in order for people to restore order. I don't care your tribe background. It's the same order of creation that we all face. We can hear it. If you can hear the birds in your backyard, and you can know and identify them, you can identify the true women's rights advocate. Okay? Think about it. Look up terms in the Holy Bible for how he treated Mount Zion, the people. When you're talking about treating women well, you treat people at Mount Zion well. Sometimes I can't see the other side of what's going on this earth, but I know when you treat the foundation right, women will get the proper treatment. Okay. I hope that's clear, because I know that just because a woman is a woman doesn't mean that they're 100% on target with things. A healthcare experience will explain those things for you. Verbal chit chats from the patients here and there. Anyway, have a good day.